Hi there! Signing up for the Summer Learning Challenge is easy. The first thing you want to do is head to our website at ccpl.beanstack.org. Once you're there, you'll scroll down and click Register an Individual or Family. If you have previously participated in any of our reading challenges, you are already registered on this site and you'll just need to sign in. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a new registration. From here, the first question will ask, have you previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge? Because we are doing a new registration, I'll select No. Who would you like to register? You can register yourself, or you can be an adult registering your children. We recommend that you register yourself. Why, you ask? You might not know, but we have 3 different programs this summer for our patrons, one each for adults, teens, and children. So if you register as an adult, you can be a part of the Summer Learning Challenge and on your way to earning prizes too. I'm going to click I'm registering myself. Don't worry, when you register yourself, you get an opportunity later to add on family members. From here, you're going to want to fill out all the information that is highlighted with the asterisk. When filling out your email, be sure that it's an email that you check regularly. We will use your email or your phone number to contact you if you have won a prize. Here you'll select the primary branch that you use the most. How old are you? Don't worry, you can select 21 and up if you are 21 and up. And if you are an adult registering yourself, you would just select adult for what grade level are you in. And then your local school district, if you have one. Here at the bottom, there's a box that says, would you like to receive book recommendations? These book recommendations come directly from Beanstack, not CCPL, but we highly recommend selecting yes, send me recommendations via email because they're pretty fun. But feel free to go ahead and skip this step and click next. Would you like to add another adult? At this time, you can add another adult, or if you select no, we will move on to the next question. I'm going to select no. Would you like to add a child? From here, you can add a child onto the account. I'm going to select yes. On this page, you'll fill out your child's first and last name, age, grade level, and school that they'll be attending if they're school-aged. At the bottom, there's a box to have weekly recommendations sent to you from Beanstack for your child each week. We welcome you to go ahead and either select yes or no, and then click next. Great! You're all set. This is your dashboard. Across the top, you'll see that you have the option to log your reading and activities, write a book review. This will earn you points on the Summer Learning Challenge, the challenges that you're currently participating in and previous ones, book reviews that you've written, all of your badges that you've earned, your reading log where you can keep track of your minutes read, your wish list of titles that you'd like to read in the future, and then these are book recommendations created by Beanstack. Up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see the account that we created. If you click that, you'll see every reader associated with that account. You have the option to edit your reader, or you can select the reader to look at their account specifically, or the option to even add an additional reader in case you maybe forgot somebody. The gear will allow you to edit your account or sign out. We recommend signing out of your account if you're on a public computer. And you're all set! This is your summer reading challenge. We can't wait for you to get started. Don't forget to come back and sign up on June 12th.
I'm going to briefly tell you how this challenge works. In order to complete the challenge, you have to earn 100 points. It doesn't matter how you earn the points. You can earn them through logging minutes, through writing reviews, and through completing activities and earning badges. As long as you get to 100 points, it doesn't matter how you get there. Now I'm going to talk with you about the badges. So when you sign up for the challenge, you'll get this registration badge. All of the badges are going to start off as gray and white, but once you've earned the badge, it'll turn into color. There's a badge for registration, there's a badge for points, there's a badge for the halfway mark, which is 50 points and 100 points. There is a logging badge for 1,000 minutes and a review badge for 10 reviews between the designated time of the Summer Learning Challenge. Also, there are activity badges. There are 5 different activity badges: Imagine, Attend, Create, Read, and Learn. Each activity badge has 5 different activities under the category. All you have to do is complete one of the activities in order to earn the badge.
And don't forget the prizes!
Engage.
Discover.
Learn.